Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am here playing on Roblox, a wolf or other. I am here joined by Galaxy Gamer.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah. Yeah. We're here together.
See who the wolf is.
Let me. Yeah. We should go and chat with the wolf.
This girl.
Huh?
I have a feeling it's this girl.
I see the wolf. I see the wolf. I think this is the wolf. A wolf is? No, this is not the wolf. He's not the wolf.
You heard somebody.
Alright, is the girl for you is Radel?
Oh.
Yeah, oh no, is the other guy.
You guys just saw that?
Yeah, I just saw it.
I saw you, Hunter. Right here.
Yeah, the hunter. I think it's Shrokali. It's Shrokali.
Yes, I knew it was that guy.
Actually, no, is the girl for you?
Right, Marina.
I actually thought it was somebody else, a boy.
Cool.
I never know it was a girl. How bad it is, boy.
Guys,
She's on this guy running.
Skip to the end of this section.
Yeah, that's true, guys. I'm gonna skip until they finish. Yeah, guys. The thing just finished. All right, let me see how far we go. Let me see how long it could take before we get started. Okay. We're not allowed to look at each other's screen unless you are both the same thing.
No matter what.
Unless somebody's the wolf.
Yeah.
Alright, let me see who I am.
Wolf.
Wait. Use. Oh. Use the wolf?
I'm civilian.
Me too.
Yeah.
It said don't let the wolf get you.
I can't trust you.
I don't trust around open area and people farm. Okay. Okay. I am a boy with muscles.
I did hear somebody.
I did hear somebody get murdered.
Wasn't that good?
I'm scared already. I just got love for the body. Oh crap, I see the wolf. I think I see the wolf.
You can see who the person was?
Actually, no. I thought it was a guy.
No, this is not a good spot.
I see two hunters.
I'm lost. Okay, gotta run.
Babe,
Oh, and
this time very slow.
I died. Oh,
Babe.
get over.
He got shot.
Yeah.
Look. He was actually following me. He was actually following me, guys. And it's so lucky I survived. You see that, guys? He was right there, and I barely survived, guys. I'm very lucky, boy. I am so lucky.
A lot of people survived.
Yeah, quite a lot of people. Only I think one person died. One person died.
That person near.
Yeah, she screamed.
We can't tell each other who.
Alright, let me see who are made this thing.
Cool.
I am. Okay, I'm a citizen.
Me too.
I'm totally the citizen.
Yeah, don't trust me no more.
Haha. God, you see who I am? I am a good boy.
Okay, scare you now.
Yeah.
Guys, is John a wolf? Is John a gamer a wolf? This guy. Melvin. No. I'm Melvin.
19 seconds.
18 seconds. And game over.
I was the wolf.
Okay. I used to on these stairs.
I was trying to get some. I got nobody.
Yep.
But I still got a coin for it.
Melvin.
It was Melvin. I was on the wolf for the second try. I'm still lucky going. I was not lucky for doing just now because I didn't want to murder everybody.
I was outside.
But because it's very limited time though.
Yeah. Yes, Nicole was just like.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Nico's one of my friends at school though. I
Let's see, Wolf.
I messaged call you Nico because I thought I was talking too fast. But I cannot actually show your name.
I just saw you.
I know your name as Galaxy Gamer, but your name is not Nico. That's what you know.
I just saw you.
You saw Wolf?
Yes, I saw you.
At least I'm not Wolf.
He chased me.
He chased
Yes,
you?
yes, I'm dead.
Aww. Right, he actually at the top of the roof.
The wolf is holy.
I just rang the bell.
The wolf is holy. Watch out for holy.
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 Alright, I just rang a bell just now.
Watch out for holy.
Holly?
Yeah, holy. A little shark girl with pointers.
Okay.
They look very suspicious.
Oh shoot.
And she's tiny. She's a tiny wolf.
Tiny wolf, yeah.
That's funny.
I don't find a more cheating hiding spot.
Who are you?
York. I'm inside the bushes.
It's in your face. That's so funny.
I know.
Your face.
I hide in here because I ain't got nowhere else to add this to
But
the.
you know your wolf can do a roar and then find you.
Yeah, I know. You heard that war that somewhere when that was it? That was me.
Yeah. Let me see where your wolf is. I see Hunter. I see Holly. And the Hunter chasing her.
Oh no.
And they're off. And the Hunter turn around, almost get Holly.
Okay,
Hunter
sure.
about die. He's not dead, man. He's dead.
I just heard
I
that,
saw
so.
you because he arrow thing inside. He crossbow inside. If you go and get that, you can get Holly.
I'm not a good shooter, so I'm not gonna risk it.
This person going for person playing Melrose. I think he coming for you next.
He coming for me?
Not yet.
He outside?
No, he's going for somebody else.
Oh, he outside though?
No, not yet.
Okay.
He's going somewhere. Oh, I think he's coming for you.
Yes?
I think he saw you.
He outside?
I think I was human. I think he's the wrong room.
Wait, he went outside?
No. He's on your roof right now.
Oh crap.
I think he's coming for you.
I see a dead
He's
person.
going to somebody else.
Oh.
And he missed.
He get it?
I think he's coming for you next.
Came for me?
Yep. You're right next to him. You better run.
That's what you trying to do?
Run. He's right next to you. Hold it. He on your tail.
He behind me?
Yeah, running. Yeah, he chasing you.
I try to click the X.
He's dead.
Look, a little thing pop on my screen.
Game over.
That was not fair.
This is the last few more seconds.
That was unfair.
Okay. Guys, we are going to do one more.
We're gonna do one more round and that's it. Because I don't like this game. I just said I was lucky, but no, luck turned on me.
Said the one who got killed by a wolf.
Just be quiet. Shut up.
I get killed too, so.
That's what you get. Ooh.
And
I'm in it.
come on.
Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you, Ozzy Wolf.
Come did he wolf twice and I'm not.
Well, I guess I'm lucky, no. I can't shut my mouth, man. You be unlucky, no. He caught ice spawn in the most ungrateful place.
He's taking that.
Everybody inside, that's why. I only got a couple seconds and they can't even get under any house yet.
I don't know where I am.
I see you, you know.
Where?
I saw you upstairs, you know.
Yes.
I know who you are. There's already a dead person they say.
Uh-huh.
I know.
18 more seconds. Oh,
Got one person.
More
Yeah.
people you get.
Need more time.
Yeah.
This lady can't run. She the chimney.
So you better hurry and get some food.
I know.
But not me.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Be careful in this circle.
Oh, this guy is safe.
Somebody quickly.
I try to get somebody now.
16, 15.
Somebody hiding in a vent. I give up.
Count 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
I won. I wasn't that person that you were looking at. I was outside you the whole time.
You were outside because I know you was inside.
I was outside the whole time.
Alright, I guess that's it, guys.
Yeah, that's it.
For today, we may do a part 2. I don't know. Depends on what happens. Alright, see you guys later.
Later.
Bye.
Bye.
Whew.
Helgen nærmer seg for alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløden som om hver dag var en lørdag. Så mange